It's just after 12 on June 14 in Center City, Philadelphia. This is Love Park, which is absolutely jammed with people.
Yeah, I guess.
There were 60 people joining the train at Westmont Station, and then a whole lot more came on. It was a packed train. 20 minutes before there were as many because I recorded it. Now what I'm really interested in is the Palestine flag. This is why I'm here, Free Palestine. And I'm also here as I'm wearing an Amnesty International t-shirt, so I'm here to record. Make sure that everything's okay. Congress, Trump, genocide, win, twins, yes, absolutely. But I am seeing some flags, which is great. Okay, I'm going to walk around Love Park. The march is walking from Love Park down the boulevard towards the Art Museum. You can see that Philadelphia was quite scared. All these barriers, and the whole road is closed off. This is 15th Street, and that behind that brown building is Friends Center. So this is chaotic. City Hall is jammed too. There we have City Hall, and we have helicopters, which I can hear, but I can't. Oh, there's one over there. Will the news media be silent? We don't know. Free Palestine. We want democracy. Okay. Oh, this is it here. Fridays at Fetterman's was planning to meet at the northeast corner of Arch Street. And I guess they've already walked on. Ukrainian flag and the Palestine flag. They got it right. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Gestapo, known as ICE. And there's some more Palestine flags here. But this is just jammed with people. How many thousands? I read last night that if 3.5% of the population comes out, the government will fall. We don't want the government to fall, we want the administration to fall. We want Congress to be held accountable for the genocide. See all these people, they look like they're in prison. And of course we are in prison. That's the issue. We're in prison until everyone's in prison until no one is in prison.
I wonder if
okay, there's the Palestine flags are up the front. We wouldn't be in this mess if Congress hadn't been so happy to give money to Israel. Just walking through here.
Survives until Donald Trump goes.
There's plenty of, oh yeah,
I don't want to have to go back to the country.
plenty of supporters of Palestine here, which is really good. It's good to see. I'm wearing my Palestine flag necklaces. Yeah, there's very polite crowd. Look at all the Palestine flags. It's wonderful to see. Starving people to death. Evil. They don't quite know what they're doing. But everyone's behaving themselves, which is really good. There we are there. Free Palestine. Free Palestine.
I'm okay, I had
Offer water, offer snacks. Who protects us? Who keeps us safe? We keep us safe.
There's a great science workers' party. Anyone with a conscience supports Palestine. The global economy is complicit in genocide. Absolutely. International Jewish Labor Board solidarity. Workers' Party, Palestinians, migrants, and all oppressed people have the right to resist. Absolutely. This is a good show for Palestine, which is great. Palestine.
We got water, we got snacks, they're free!
Palestine.
No, thank you.
Palestine. And here we have City Hall, where all these good people are protesting a government that doesn't look after people, doesn't look after its own people. And certainly, well, the Philadelphia government's not bad. I'm not criticizing them. But in Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, it's illegal to sanction Israel. That's what happens when you have a Republican state assembly. Just here, there's a memorial to the Holocaust. Free Palestine, yes. This is what democracy looks like. Yes. Oh, this is huge. This is bigger than the April 5th rally. Way bigger. Look at these people. Look at these hordes of people. Okay, I'm going to keep recording. Okay, people are now marching down towards the Save Science, we resist. It's tough getting people out of the lab on Saturday afternoons. Absolutely. It's raining slightly, and it's actually quite cool. It was in the 90s yesterday and really hot, so this is a really nice temperature. With drums and tambourines. They're very helpful. Past all the flags, the various nations. This is not normal. Right. We're just walking past the French school here, the Quaker school in the middle of Benjamin Franklin Parkway. That's Dry University, but next to it is the Friends School. Friends Select School. You'd rather deport a child than a billionaire. Right. Fear immigrants more than mass shooters. Is that who you are? Hey, oligarchs, read Mark 10. Okay. There's always a Bible verse. So there's Friends School. These gorgeous old buildings here that look like they're falling apart. And there's the Ukraine flag. People are marching for Ukraine, as well as for the United States, as well as for Sudan, as well as for Palestine. And there's the British flag. That country, Spain, did a lot of damage. Okay, this is the end of, this is video 2. Video 1 was in a walk to Westmont to the train station. So I'll start again.